In the heart of the Bale Massif in Ethiopia's southeastern highlands lies an extraordinary world, a world of diverse ecosystems and rich biodiversity. Bale Mountains National Park is also a vital water resource, providing water for over 30 million people. The Bale Mountains generate crucial rainfall for local climate regulation, and the park's wetlands also act as a natural sponge, absorbing and slowly releasing water into pristine rivers that supply vital water to millions of people, sustaining communities and ecosystems far beyond its borders through droughts as well as regulating floods. Made up of dense tropical forests, dramatic volcanic peaks and sweeping valleys that have been sculpted by ancient lava and glaciation over the millennia. It is also Africa's largest Afro-alpine habitat, above 3,000 meters. From the endangered Ethiopian wolf to the mountain Nyala, the park harbors species found nowhere else on Earth. Its biodiversity is unparalleled. Despite facing pressure from human activities, ongoing conservation efforts have helped maintain the park's ecosystems. While maintaining partnerships with communities and dedicated conservation work ensure the park's long-term survival. Preserving the Bale Mountains is not just about protecting a park. It's about safeguarding the lifeblood of millions.